Welcome to Dominic's English Corner. I'm Dominic, and this is where we'll explore the colorful world of English together. If you're looking to start learning English again or just want a more fun way to learn, you've come to the right place. Get ready to learn lots of exciting things. Let's get started.
I run fast.
I run fast.
I dance to music.
I dance to music.
I jump high.
I jump high.
I sing a happy song.
I sing a happy song.
I clap my hands.
I clap my hands.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I draw a cat.
I draw a cat.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
I drink milk.
I drink milk.
I sleep in bed.
I sleep in bed.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I smile at my teacher.
I smile at my teacher.
I laugh with friends.
I laugh with friends.
I cry a little.
I cry a little.
I raise my hand.
I raise my hand.
I read aloud in class.
I read aloud in class.
I write on the board.
I write on the board.
I draw at school.
I draw at school.
I listen to the teacher.
I listen to the teacher.
I pack my school bag.
I pack my school bag.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I get dressed by myself.
I get dressed by myself.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I help my mom.
I help my mom.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
I eat healthy food.
I eat healthy food.
I go to bed on time.
I go to bed on time.
I say thank you.
I say thank you.
I cook with my dad.
I cook with my dad.
I bake cookies.
I bake cookies.
I garden with my mom.
I garden with my mom.
I play board games.
I play board games.
I watch a movie with my family.
I watch a movie with my family.
I hug my grandma.
I hug my grandma. Thanks for learning with me today. Remember to listen and repeat daily to boost your confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to Dominic's English Corner for more new videos. See you next time.